Steven, let's see what you got me. Hello everybody, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 25, which means it is the last day of Vlogmas. Wow, time flies when you're having a blast. I decided to save my favorite video for the last one because this, I wanted to do this for a while and I had help from a very special person too. I don't know, I'm just so excited. Okay, let me just explain what we're doing. So basically I gave my boyfriend my credit card and told him he had a $100 spending limit on the website SHEIN. Now I purchased from them once before and I really enjoyed what I got, so I basically just told him have fun, buy whatever you want, you got $100 and we're gonna look at everything and try them on if it's stuff to try on. I really don't even know what he got. So let's get started. All right, so the total came out to about $92. SHEIN is one of those websites, in case you don't know, that's like across the world. So things don't always fit very well and are sometimes cheap. Oh, I already see something and it's so cute. Sometimes things are a little cheap, sometimes things are super cute. It takes forever to get your stuff, but it comes. Oh my god! There's some really cool things in here. So let's begin. Let's just cut this whole bag open. Oh my gosh! I should get a picture of this. Hold on. I'm putting this on my story. Hoping to see like a packing slip in here, but we don't have one, so we're just gonna wing it. Starting with whatever this is. It's soft. This is leggings. Yo, we got some leggings. Wait, this means I have to change my shirt because I don't want to clash. But look at these wild leggings, guys. Oh man, here we go. Oh my god. Maybe I should, no, I'm gonna try everything on as I go. So I'm gonna change my shirt so I'm not gonna be clashing, and then we're gonna see what I look like in those leggings. So this is the first item of clothing that we got. We got these really kind of cute leggings and they fit pretty well. They fit all around here. They are a little bit loose in this zone, like you can see all that buildup of fabric. These are kind of cute. Oh my gosh. This is so funny. I love them. Thanks, Steven. Let's see how often I'll actually wear them. All right. So one item down. I don't even know how many items he got. We're just going to keep going. On to the next. This says jackets. Ooh, it's so soft. Ooh, this is cute. Goodness. See? He knows me very well. I love my black and white. Got black and white leggings. And this jacket, oh, guys, this is nice. It actually has a little bit of weight to it. Look at this. Oh, it's so soft and silky, and it's really, really cute. I love this. Wow, guys, SHEIN's doing real good so far. Wow. Thanks, Steven. This is pretty darn cute. I love it. It's just so soft. I don't want to take it off. I think I'm going to keep it on until I have to take it off. Because I'm cold. It's my room. It's freezing. Next item is, it just says large on it. It looks like a shirt. It is a shirt. Definitely is a shirt. So I'm going to pop this baby on. But let's pull it out first. Oh, this is a really nice, oh, this is a very nice color. Look at this. This is just like a kind of nice brownie green t-shirt. Let's throw this on. I guess this is coming off already. Guys, this shirt is so awesome and it's so soft. I don't know how to explain. I don't know what fabric this is. Did it tell me the fabric on the bag? No, of course it doesn't tell us the fabric, but it's like, I don't know, it's not cottony. It feels almost kind of felty, but it's not felt. Like it's like the tip of the felt, I guess, if I can explain it like that. Am I wearing this backwards? I am. Hold on. So I actually really like the cut of the shirt as well. I usually wear V-necks, or I try to wear V-necks, but this really isn't too bad. It's very nice and classic and work appropriate. I like it. Okay. On to the next item. Oh yeah, are these pants? I think these are pants. It doesn't say. Pants! It says pants. Here we go. Guys, this is kind of cool because this pattern is like one of my favorites. Ooh! Oh! Guys, these are those kind of pants that tie. Oh my goodness, time to put these babies on. Okay, so these are the pants. You can see it's elastic in the back, but then it's a little bit in the front. No pockets, a little bit of a bummer, but they're very cute. These work. Pretty darn cute. I really like the little tie and they're comfy. I was a little bit nervous because they are quite tight on the thigh area, which is why I told him to get me everything in a large, because you never know the kind of fabric and how tight things are gonna be. But they're pretty cute. I like them. Well, that's that. Okay, on to the next item. Look at how cute this is! It's just a really cute Christmas keychain. Where'd my scissors go? Of course they're gone. Whatever. I just want to open it. Oh my goodness. This is just so cute. Oh my gosh. Of course. Steven is obsessed with the stuff with the sequins that you can flip up. So he got me a Christmas keychain that does that. That is so adorable and typical Steven. Oh, I love that human so much. Next item. Okay, so this is bright. This is going to be interesting. I don't normally wear bright colors. I'm looking at my closet right now and I literally own one. Oh, I see how this works. Okay, I own one item in my closet that's actually bright in color, so I'm gonna throw this on and we shall see what happens, because I know Steven says he likes when I wear color, so. All right, so this obviously clashes a little bit with the fact that I am wearing like a bow tie over a bow tie, but I have to admit, this is super cute. I really like the ribbing that's done. I also probably should not be wearing a black bra with this, but it's really cute. I like it. I actually, before I started this haul, I was wearing a shirt that has one of these bow tie things, so these are one of my favorites. All right, this says sweater. Okay, we got a sweater. Good, because I'm cold. Oh no, I just saw something else in here I'm a little nervous for. But let's see. Ha! This is funny. It says sweater, but it's so thin. Oh, it's like a cardigan. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a little cardigan. Okay, I dig. This is gonna look so bad with everything I'm wearing. So I'm gonna show you guys the cardigan with a different shirt because it's not gonna look nice with the bright yellow. So we'll get back to the little cardigan. This is the thing I'm nervous for, guys. He got me jeans. Getting jeans from overseas. I'm nervous. Oh boy, are they high-waisted? Oh, kind of cute. They got some rips in them. I'm gonna throw these on and we'll see what's up. Oh man. Guys, these jeans actually flippin' fit me. And they're actually really cute. I cannot believe these fit. I was so nervous. Well, they don't make my butt look too good though. Then again, I don't really have a butt as it is. But wow, these work and they're adorable. So you can see, oh, maybe you can't see. Ha ha. The bottom isn't as tight as I would have expected, but wow. Guys, I always struggle with buying jeans and my boyfriend bought me a pair and they fit fine. What the heck? Next item, okay, I'm excited for this. Sweater, one size. This looks like a real sweater. Doesn't look like that cardigan, so let's try this baby out. So I'm gonna change my shirt for that one too. We'll go back to that. But before I do, he got me one more pair of pants. So this pair of pants will basically make or break if, I don't know, I'm scared. What if these ones don't fit? This will just show you that not all pairs of jeans are alike because you can get one that can fit fine and then another that won't. Oh wow. Oh, I like this kind of front area though. Look at this. All right, I'm gonna put these babies on too. So, these fit too. Look at that. They fit. They're very cute. I really, really, really like this whole front section. And the bottoms are cute too. They're a little bit on the long side because this goes down like underneath my foot a little bit. But that's okay. These are really nice too. I really enjoy. And they fit. So we're gonna try on these sweaters now. Starting with sweater, like the thick sweater. You know, I might actually wear this today because this is cute. Oh my gosh. This is so comfy. It's a little big. Actually, it's a lot of big. It's huge, but it's super comfy. This is definitely going to be my chilling with tea sweater because it's really cute. I like it. It's so warm. Oh man, I don't want to take it off, but I have to try on the other one, so I'm going to do that. I really like this one as like a fashion one. It's super cute. It's very light, but I really like this whole little section here. How you can kind of like have it taper in. Oh, wow. Okay, yes, pretty darn cute. So for about $92, Steven was able to get me 2 pairs of pants, 2 pairs of jeans, 2 shirts, 2 sweaters, a jacket, and a keychain from this website. So the fact that he was able to get me so many products and that they all actually fit very well. I mean, the sweater, like I said, it's a little bit big, but it's comfy and it's warm and it's nice. I was not expecting this at all. I was expecting this to be like a laughingstock kind of try on where things just were going to be ridiculously tight or ridiculously oversized, but this was so much more successful than I thought it was going to be, and I could not be happier. So Steven, thank you for taking my money and picking out some wonderful products. Guys, thank you for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed. And Annie, you're welcome. Now I got some really cool little items to wear all the time. So that's all that I have for you guys today. I want to say thank you so much for watching this last episode of Vlogmas. I had so much fun filming all of these for you, and I really hope that you enjoyed and you go back every once in a while and just kind of like look and laugh as I progress, especially my makeup. The food was really good though. Crafts were okay. Makeup stunk. But that's alright. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Feel free to like this video as well as comment down below. You tell me in the comments about your Shein experiences or any other websites that you want me to try and do some hauls from. I would love to try them. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel so you can continue getting updates and other videos that are to come. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll be seeing you in 2019. Bye!